Did you know thousands of Mazda CX-5 owners struggle with Apple CarPlay issues? If your phone won't connect, hang tight. Here's how to get back on the road. Connected. First, let's tackle the basics. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version and double-check your lightning cable for any damage. Good? Now plug your phone directly into the USB port labeled with a smartphone icon. Other ports might not support CarPlay. Still not working? Restart both your iPhone and your Mazda's infotainment screen. Sometimes a simple reboot clears weird glitches. If you see a connection prompt on your car's screen, tap Enable for Apple CarPlay. No prompt? Go into your Mazda's settings menu, find connectivity, and make sure Apple CarPlay is turned on. For wireless CarPlay, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active on your phone. Pair your iPhone through the Mazda's Bluetooth menu, then follow the on-screen steps. Still stuck? On your iPhone, go to Settings, General CarPlay, and remove your Mazda from the list. Reconnect from scratch. And if nothing helps, try a different cable or visit your local Mazda dealer. Sometimes a software update is the solution. With these steps, your Mazda CX-5 and Apple CarPlay should be working together like a dream. Safe travels.